check? Are all the patients here?
Yes. Ginagawa na ng paraan. May isa pang ICU patient, pero nakakapit kasi siya sa life support. Pero sinabi ni Dr. Regis, palabas na daw sila. Lahat ng ibang pasyente nasa likod safe na.
Good. Safe. For as long as all the patients are safe, all the staff and all the employees are safe, that's all that matters to me. Wait a minute. Where is Obeng? Annalyn, nasaan ang tatay mo?
Bumalik po kasi si tatay. Inanap niya po kasi si nanay.
Ano? Oh my gosh! See? We can't go back, can we?
Lynette! 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 Lynette!